Yo, I just came out the shower, I just hit a crazy workout, and honestly, when I'm in there, it's like my sanctuary. Some of my best ideas happen in the shower. It is my self-care time. But we should never forget what its original goal is. See, when you get into a shower, your goal is to come out a new man, to come out a refreshed man. And today, I'm gonna show you 7 showering tricks that I do personally in the shower that will completely change how you shower and will actually make you a new man when you step out. Let's hop into this. Number 1, shave. This is the time that you should be shaving. Shave your body hair. Now, yes, I told you before, don't store your shaver inside the shower because it'll rust away. But shaving here is great because the steam opens up your pores and it lifts up your hair follicles to give you that closest shave possible. This is exactly why I actually have an anti-fog mirror in all my bathrooms just to make sure I can hit the shaver. I also like to trim all my body hair. It keeps it hygienic. That way I just wash everything out, and when I step out the shower, I'm refreshed. I'm looking good. Which takes me to number 2, facial cleanser. As soon as I'm done with that, I wash my face. So I'll have my scrubber and my favorite facial cleanser in the shower, and I start just washing that off, all the dirt, all the sweat that I have built up. You would be surprised. Most of you would be surprised at just how dirty your face is. If you were to grab a washcloth, a damp washcloth, and just wipe your face, look at it. I promise you, it's gonna come out black, and all that gunk is what's blocking up your pores and making you break out. So, because I know most of you don't have a skincare routine, put that facial cleanser in the shower and just knock it out. 2 birds with 1 stone. Once you're there, when you step out, you're just gonna feel refreshed and your skin's gonna thank you for it. Which takes me on to number 3, condition daily. See, I don't shampoo my hair every day, but I do like to condition it every day. And this is what you call a soft wash. The conditioner is great to lightly cleanse the hair from that topical sweat that I might have just built at the gym, some of that dirt, but it won't strip it from essential oils that I need to keep my hair healthy. On top of that, the conditioner will rehydrate my hair after cleansing it to make sure I step out with clean, fresh, and soft hair. See, the only way you're gonna be able to develop such a smooth routine is by having the right products. And with our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club, you can get any single grooming product that you can think of. Like, go ahead, think of one. Oral care, they got you. Fragrances, they got you. Skincare, they got you. Hair care, they got you. Body care, they got you. Shave, like, Dollar Shave Club is not just shaving products. What they did is that they took the technique that they used with the shaving products of creating high quality products delivered straight to your door, and they did that with everything. Literally everything in a man's bathroom where you want to smell good and not break the bank, they got you covered. Every single item that you might need will get delivered to your door, and now you don't have to worry about it. Now you don't have to be going to the store and buying each individual product. It's a hassle, takes too much time, which is why most men don't do it. So I'm here to make your life easier because I want you to do it. I want you to check out Dollar Shave Club. See, with the Dollar Shave Club, I want you to just try them out. Now, the Ultimate Shave Starter Set comes with this sleek matte black handle and the blades, which have a grip, which is perfect if you're gonna shave in the shower. It also comes with a tube of Dr. Carver's Prep Scrub to exfoliate the skin. It comes with Dr. Carver's Shave Butter, which is transparent to allow you to have a more precise shave. And it comes with Dr. Carver's Post-Shave Dew, which helps with hydration and relieving irritation. Visit dollarshaveclub.com/fashion to get the Ultimate Shave Starter Set for only $5 and round out your grooming routine by adding any of their high-quality products. After that, razor ship at a regular price. Number 4, brush your teeth. See, your goal is to finish your grooming routine as quick as possible and conserve time and water and energy. So when you're in the shower, grab your toothbrush or bring it into the shower and brush your teeth. Do that as soon as you start inside the shower. That way when you step out, you're already refreshed. You're not wasting any time. Now, it's not recommended that you store your toothbrush in the shower, similar to the razor, because of all the bacteria and all the humidity. Keep that outside the shower, but you can always bring it in. Number 5, I want you to polish your feet. Don't lie to me. Do not lie to me because I already know you're not scrubbing past your knees. Let's be real. Most of you are so lazy after your knee, like you're just too lazy to bend down there and actually clean. But let's be honest. You gotta get in there in between your toes. It is dirty. You gotta clean it off, not only for the stench, but just to make sure you're hygienic. On top of that, if you do want to go above and beyond, buy yourself a pumice stone. You can get that off of Amazon for a couple bucks. And then when you're in the shower, you can start shaving away some of those calluses that you built on your feet, and you're not walking around with all that dead skin. Number 6, as soon as you step out the shower, I want you to moisturize. This is crucial. And I'm not just talking about your face, I'm talking your entire body. See, right now, even after you dry yourself, you're gonna leave a little bit of moisture on your skin. Putting on moisturizer on top of that seals in all that hydration to ensure that your skin stays soft and supple all day. This is gonna ensure that you don't get ashy. If you're a darker colored guy like I am, when I'm not hydrated, I start getting ashy, which just looks horrible. It just looks like I'm not taking care of my own hygiene. So if you really wanna lock in that hydration and avoid skin cracks and wrinkly skin, lock in the hydration as soon as you step out the shower. And finally, number 7, hang the clothes that you're going to wear. So whatever you're going to wear that day, hang them inside the shower. What's gonna happen is that the steam is gonna remove some of those light wrinkles that might still be on the clothes to make sure you look pristine, you look perfect, but also the steam's gonna help deodorize some of the odor. So if there's any bad stench or odor on any of those garments, the steam will neutralize a lot of that bad odor. So not only are you looking sharp, you're smelling fresh. Now you're gonna step out the shower looking a new man. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.